And they're off. Wow, Jazzy draws for your lead, running by the rail. My name John, Strategic Manila. Moving up in between runners, Grace Landesari outside. Then comes Blacksmith, si Inday, and trailing the group is Seri. Passing the 800 meters post, two runners are fighting it out for the lead. My name John, running by the rail, Strategic Manila. Graceland trying to get closer in third. Si Inday running on the outside by the rail. Wow, Jazzy rounding towards the 450 is Strategic Manila. My name John by the rail. Graceland moving up on the outside. Wow, Jazzy is by the rail. And down the stretch they come. My name John, still the leader, running by the rail. Wow, Jazzy. Then moving up on the outside is Graceland. It's still my name John, Blacksmith, Seri down on the inside. It's my name John, Seri, Graceland. With 75 meters, it's going to be Blacksmith. Then comes my name John, Graceland, Wow, Jazzy.